Welcome back to BikeVerse. October 20th, 2025, Toyota City, Japan. Toyota Motor Corporation just unveiled something extraordinary. This is the all-new 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ, and it's the return of a legend. Planned for Japan launch around mid-2026, the Land Cruiser FJ resurrects one of Toyota's most beloved nameplates with modern technology and classic soul. That distinctive design paying tribute to the iconic FJ40 Land Cruiser that conquered the world from 1960 to 1984. Round headlights, vertical grille, boxy proportions that scream capability. This isn't just nostalgia, this is Toyota's legendary off-road heritage reimagined for the modern era. The FJ Cruiser originally ran from 2006 to 2018 in global markets, beloved by enthusiasts for its unique retro styling and serious off-road capability. Now it's back as the Land Cruiser FJ, combining proven Land Cruiser toughness with FJ character. Land Cruiser engineering excellence. While Toyota hasn't released complete specifications yet, we can expect the Land Cruiser FJ to inherit the legendary engineering that makes Land Cruisers unstoppable worldwide. Body-on-frame construction, the proven ladder chassis that's conquered every continent for over 70 years. Advanced four-wheel drive systems with multiple terrain modes adapting to sand, mud, rock, and snow. Electronic locking differentials front and rear providing maximum traction when needed. Crawl control technology managing throttle and braking on extreme terrain. Kinetic dynamic suspension system potentially offering incredible wheel articulation. Toyota's latest powertrain technology, possibly turbocharged engines or hybrid systems combining power with efficiency. This is Toyota engineering at its finest. Proven durability meeting modern capability. The Land Cruiser name means something. It's passed the most extreme testing on Earth. The FJ will continue that legacy with technology refined over decades of global adventure. Legendary off-road capability. The Land Cruiser FJ will carry forward Toyota's legendary off-road capability proven in the world's harshest environments for over 7 decades. High ground clearance managing obstacles that stop lesser SUVs. Aggressive approach and departure angles climbing steep inclines and descending without scraping. Robust suspension providing incredible wheel travel and articulation over extreme terrain. Advanced four-wheel drive with low-range transfer case for technical crawling. Multiple terrain selection modes: rock, sand, mud, snow. Optimizing engine, transmission, and traction control for conditions. Factory skid plates protecting vital components underneath. Recovery points front and rear for serious off-road work. This isn't a mall crawler, this is a real Land Cruiser. These vehicles serve United Nations missions, aid organizations, and adventurers in the most remote corners of Earth. The FJ nameplate returns to continue that legacy of going anywhere, doing anything, and getting home reliably. Retro-modern design and interior. The Land Cruiser FJ's design is unmistakable pure tribute to the legendary FJ40 that defined adventure vehicles. Those iconic round headlights flanking the vertical Toyota grille. Boxy, upright proportions maximizing interior space and visibility. Contrasting roof color options creating that distinctive two-tone look. White pillars between windows, a signature FJ design element. But this isn't just retro styling, this is modern Land Cruiser engineering. Inside, expect durable materials built for real adventure, not just showroom appeal. Modern Toyota infotainment with large touchscreen providing navigation, connectivity, and vehicle information. Digital instrument cluster with classic analog backup gauges. Toyota knows off-roaders want reliability. Comfortable seating for family adventures with cargo space for camping gear, recovery equipment, and expedition supplies. The original FJ Cruiser offered unique interior personality. Expect the new FJ to continue that tradition. This is heritage meeting modern refinement, adventure capability you can use every day. The legacy continues. The 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ represents more than just a new vehicle, it's the continuation of a 70-year legacy of going where others can't. Unveiled October 20th, 2025, in Toyota City, Japan, with launch planned for mid-2026. This resurrects the beloved FJ nameplate, combining it with legendary Land Cruiser engineering. The original FJ40 Land Cruiser from 1960 to 1984 proved Toyota's off-road capability worldwide. The FJ Cruiser from 2006 to 2018 brought retro style and serious capability to enthusiasts globally. Now the Land Cruiser FJ combines that heritage with modern Land Cruiser technology. Body-on-frame construction. Advanced four-wheel drive systems. legendary Toyota reliability, distinctive retromodern styling that honors the past while embracing the future. This is the adventure vehicle the world has been waiting for, capable enough for serious off-roading, practical enough for daily driving, distinctive enough to turn heads everywhere. The 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ. Heritage reborn. Legends never die. This is BikeVerse, and this is how Toyota keeps adventure alive. Drive legendary.